Ethyl silicone oil, as a high-performance lubricating and protective material, is widely used in multiple industrial fields, demonstrating its unique value and advantages. In terms of lubrication performance, ethyl silicone oil exhibits extraordinary stability and adaptability. Its lubrication effect remains consistent across a wide temperature range of -50°C to 200°C, effectively reducing friction and improving mechanical operating efficiency. In addition, ethyl silicone oil also has excellent electrical properties, strong insulation, and is an indispensable preferred material in the field of electronics and electrical engineering, providing solid guarantees for circuit safety. In terms of chemical properties, ethyl silicone oil exhibits high chemical inertness and stability. It is not easily oxidized or hydrolyzed, can effectively resist corrosion, and protect the substrate from damage. This characteristic enables ethyl silicone oil to maintain stable performance and extend its service life in various harsh environments. In the fields of cosmetics and personal care, ethyl silicone oil is highly favored due to its safe, non-toxic, and skin-compatible characteristics. It gives the product a silky touch, enhances the user experience, and becomes a key ingredient in many cosmetics and personal care products.